We start the setup of our test device by first connecting the K1 and K2 clutch adjustment. After connecting the K1 and K2 pistons, we proceed with connecting the oil pan cover gasket and the transparent polycarbonate oil pan cover. During the installation of the cover, we make sure not to over-tighten the screws. To assemble our Dsg 7 Mechatronic device, we turn the Mechatronic unit upside down. The entire software system of our Mechatronic board, which is prepared with custom software, is located here. Before assembling the Mechatronic board, we ensure that all the gaskets are in place. Once we are sure, we can proceed with the screw connections. After completing the installation of the Mechatronic board, we proceed to the oil filling stage. After completing the oil filling, we connect the power unit and the Mechatronic board. We turn on the power by pressing the red power button on our power supply and wait for power to reach the motor. After hearing the sound from the motor, we establish the Bluetooth connection. We log into our application. We select Bluetooth by clicking the plus button. We open our application by selecting the Dsg Test connection from the Select BLE button. After exiting the application and logging in again, the connection will be visible here, and you can log in without reconnecting. Our test device consists of 3 parts: manual gear test, automatic gear test, and manual valve test. In the manual valve test, all of our solenoids are independent and can be tested individually. By pressing and holding, we can activate and view the current values. If it appears in red, it indicates an error with the solenoid. In the manual gear test, we can also view the pressure values simultaneously. For example, here we can reset the motor and set it to 60 to see how many seconds it takes for the pressure to drop. Just like in the vehicle, you can perform the same procedure in the manual valve test. Here we can manually shift gears to check the values and detect any oil leaks. In the automatic gear test, it can perform 1000 gear shifts over an extended period. This test allows us to identify pressure errors and mechanical issues. Once the 1000 gear shifts, which take 1 hour and 10 minutes, are completed, the test will automatically end. If there are any errors during the test, it will give a warning in red. Then we click End Test, and here we see that the pressure is reset to 0. After the pressure has been reset, we can turn off the device.